Hello guys, I was chatting with one of my subscribers yesterday, and of course he was like, how have you been making money on daily basis trading boom and crash and other assets? Okay, and of course this is a very simple question, because if you have been following up with my trading activities on this channel and also on the Telegram channel, and you are not making money, then definitely you are not doing the right thing. Okay, because you must have been seeing my posts explaining to you over and over what I have been doing, the same trading tools which I've been using. I also use them on in my videos. Okay, and of course on the Telegram channel I've been posting informations. I've been giving market updates on the Telegram channel just to follow up with those that are using the same trading tools which I am also using. Okay, so this makes it very simple, and also this also gives us a kind of guide on how you can manage your trading activities in such a way that you will always be profitable all the time. So when the person asks the question, okay, this caught me unaware, because I felt that we all are carried along based on the videos I'm creating and also on the information I'm dishing out on the Telegram channel. That means this someone like this, he are still out there, don't even know that we are making money back to back like this on daily basis. Okay guys, if you want to know how I've been making money on this platform that is trading all these assets, then you need to sit tight and watch this video to the end. In case you don't know, you can be making consistent profits on daily basis. Yes, you heard me right, you can be making within $50 to $200 on daily basis using the same strategy which I am also using. Everyone is using this strategy. So far you are my subscriber and you have the same trading tools I'm using, then definitely you should be making consistent profit on daily basis. Okay, the profit you'll be making will also determine, we also depend on the capital you are using. Okay, it does not really matter if you are making big amount of money or small amount of money, but the most important thing is you making consistent profit on daily basis. Okay, that is the most important thing. If it is $10 that you are able to make on daily basis, if you are able to make it like that within 10, it cannot be fixed, because it is forex market. Okay, you have to trade. Okay, it depends on what the market is bringing on that day. Okay, so probably you will make $10 today, $8 tomorrow, $12 next tomorrow. So far you are making profit on daily basis, then you are good, and I'm also cool with that. Okay, and of course, like I said, based on your capital will determine how far you can go. Okay, we have some people making over $200 on daily basis using the same strategy, and all this will be revealed to you in this video. So sit tight and watch this video to the end, and there is an amazing information which I will be passing out in this video. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, every part of the strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, I will be explaining to you how I have been making consistent profits on daily basis. Okay, one of my secrets is you understand how the market works. Once you understand the way the market works, then definitely you will be able to make the market successful. I understand that all these assets they move or they react in the same way. Okay, and of course, how do they react? This is what happens. Okay, for you to trade any of these assets, you need to be sure of the trend. If you can figure out the trend of the asset, then definitely you will be able to milk the market successfully or milk the asset successfully. Okay, so that is the beautiful part of it, and that is why all my trading tools are focused in that direction. First of all, check out this is a unique trading tool. You can see a buy signal from here took us to this level, and a sell signal from here brought us here. Sometimes it's even going to go longer than that. Okay, these are short movements. Okay, and they are short movement because the market is not totally stable. If the market is totally stable, then it will go longer than that, and you will be able to milk the market successfully. But we are not even focusing on this alone. This is just an asset that gives us the opportunity to know the trend. You can see we know the trend right from the beginning, and of course all these will be explained in a program which I will be dishing out today. Okay, so I will give you more information very soon. Here is another amazing trading tool. These two trading tools are so amazing. Okay, I love this particular trading tool because it makes it very easy for us to use. Just looking at the charts, you can easily see the trend of the market. Okay, and of course right here, when the market is showing a red flag like this, it shows that the market is on downtrend, and you can see the only order you are seeing right there is a downtrend. I mean a sell signal, because that is the only order you should go for. When it is showing a yellow flag like this, then the market is on uptrend, and you can see we only got the blue arrow around there, which shows that it is a buy, and of course it went on a buy. Okay, and of course there are other things that you also need to look into: the support, the resistance zone, then how you should manage your trading activities, because the market will always behave like the market. You can get a sell signal, a downtrend, and of course the market will still go back and break out above the resistance zone and keep on buying. This happens. Okay, this happens. It does not mean that the indicator is not working, but these are some of the things you should guide yourself against, and this is why you need to understand how to use all these trading tools. That is, if you are not having the trading tools, then you need to get any of these trading tools, either this or this. Okay, you need to get any one of them in order for you to be able to analyze your assets easily, okay, and trade and have a successful trading journey. Okay, it's not compulsory. If you can identify your trend without the trading tool, then you are good. You can also do that. But if you want to make it very easy, then you need any of these two trading tools. Okay, and of course I will show you how to use the trading tools to trade successfully, and I will also show you how you can manage this how you can manage your trading activities with any of these trading tools. And how will I do that? Okay, I am organizing a free training session today, and of course this will be coming up around 9 p.m. tonight, and you can join me. It is going to be a live trading session, and in this session I'll also be showing you, apart from showing you how you can set up these trading tools, how you can use it to trade, what you should look out for before you make any attempts to place an order in the market. I will also be showing you how you can use some automated trading bots to trade any of these assets successfully. Okay, the same trading bot that I used to make over $2,000 within 48 hours. These are some of the trading bots which I have been using to trade my some of these assets on my own. So you also have the opportunity to see any of these to see some of these trading bots right there in the live session with me. So you can join the Telegram channel so that you can have access to it. The training session will be coming up around 9 p.m. tonight, and of course I will be sharing with you how you can take advantage of the market and milk the market successfully. Okay, this is very easy, and it is 100% free. Okay, the training session is 100% free. We will be focusing on these two trading tools, and also we will be adding other trading tools like the EA you can use to trade all these assets. Okay, and I will show you how you can get those trading tools, and of course how you can use the trading tools to start making our money right away. So join me tonight by 9 p.m. and you can join the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is in the description box below this video. Just click on it and join the Telegram channel. There are more informations on the Telegram channel, and of course before 9 I will be dropping the link where you will be joining me on the live session. Right there you will be able to see how I am using all these trading tools one after the other to make money right from here. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.